The key to a great hummingbird cake, which is a banana cake, and it has pineapple in it and pecans, is definitely you have to have a whole milk, banana flavoring, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cardamon, just a little bit, and sour cream for moisture, and definitely, of course, your vanilla as well. The key to this is brown butter. You see we have brown butter here, and we have brown sugar, and we have white sugar and salt in here already, and we're going to add in the oil. Now you want to beat this nice and creamy. Nice and smooth. Now we add the eggs. Now we add the banana. Now we add our spices. Banana flavoring. And our vanilla. To give nice moisture, I'm going to add sour cream, baking soda, or pineapple, or flour. Okay, now we're mixing the nuts. Mix our pecans into the hummingbird batter. See, this is a thick batter, look at that. Definitely don't forget your sour cream. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees. Okay, let's check on our hummingbird cake. It's been 20 minutes. Oh, nice. Okay, out of the 3 cakes, only this one was done. So 20 minutes. It all depends on your oven. So you gotta check it at the 20-minute mark and see what you need. We're making cream cheese. This is a cream cheese recipe enough for 2 8-inch cake or more, depending how you frost. So definitely for flavoring, I love to use true lemon and true orange. And definitely your other flavor is vanilla, real vanilla. And this recipe is pretty simple. A whole block of cream cheese. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 8-ounce block, you know, the small block from the grocery store. And then 1 pound of butter. So 4. So you can use butter or butter blend or just margarine. So right here I'm using 1 butter and 3 margarine. It's whatever you have in your fridge. It tastes great either way. And powdered sugar, of course. So we're going to put all this together. You don't have to bring it to room temperature. So cream cheese right from the fridge. And if you're using margarine right from the fridge, it's pretty soft. But butter, it's really hard. So this I will do at room temperature, or you know, you can from the fridge. You can put in the microwave for 10 seconds. Okay, we'll cut the cream cheese and the butter on chunk, and then we're going to add the lemon and the orange. Going to add a teaspoon vanilla in, and just mix it all together before the sugar. So you see, you don't have to leave the cream cheese at room temperature. It actually beat creamier. It's more smoother finished product if you beat it, the cream cheese and the butter when it's cold, when it's not too soft. We're gonna add 4 cups of powdered sugar total. So we're gonna do 1 cup at a time. Okay, make sure you scrape your side and push the cream cheese down so we get a smooth finish. can mix it on medium-high once you get all your sugar incorporated. Okay, after about 3-4 minutes of beating medium-high, look at how creamy this is. Now you want to taste it. So everybody has different taste bud and how sweet they want it. So you adjust the sugar, powdered sugar, according to what you like. So you want to start with 4 cups of powdered sugar, and it will give you a good start to begin with. Look at how great this hummingbird cake came out. You can see the banana vein and the pineapple. Perfect. So moist. Cream cheese frosting would be so good. So this is called crumb coating. So we're going to put this in the fridge so it will harden, and then you can do another layer of frosting. So right now you need this first layer of frosting to harden up before you put the second layer. In the fridge for 2 hours, the hummingbird cake. See? The second layer of frosting here to the first layer much better now. So you get a thicker frosting. See? Doesn't that be perfect? And you can decorate with some pecans on top because there's pecans inside. And I toasted these pecans already. You should always toast your pecan. Tastes better that way. This is the hummingbird cake. Let's cut into this so you can see how moist this is. And my mom's gonna taste it. Look at how moist that is, you guys. Hey, Mom. Tell me what you think.
Nice and moist.
Your first time having a hummingbird cake, right?
Very good, delicious. Not too sweet. Just right. The texture is very good.
Can you taste the pineapple?
I taste the pineapple and the nuts. Yes.
You like that cream cheese frosting? Creamy? And not too sweet. You can make it sweeter.
Very good. Taste the bananas. Delicious. Bon appetit.
Right, so you're going to taste the hummingbird for me and the red velvet.
Oh, yes, yes.
All right, give me your first take on the hummingbird.
Creamy with the cream cheese. The banana sets it off. It's really good. Flavorful and moist. Super moist.
I use ripe banana. That's the key right there.
Well,
and
that's
also
perfect.
sour cream. That gives you the
Wow.
moisture.
Okay, there you go.
Now
I
tell me
like
what
that.
you think about the red velvet.
Now, I like red velvet. And I have... moist, very good. I like the icing. The cake is moist. I like that cake too.
Stack with other red velvet that you have tasted. Is this better or up there?
I think it's really good. I think it's up there in that category. If I had a choice between the two, I'd definitely say the hummingbird.
Yeah.
I like carrot cake. I like the fact that you did a turn on that one, and you added the banana in there, and with the cream cheese, and it's really good. I like it.
All right.